The Akko V3 Cream Blue Pro switches are an excellent budget-friendly tactile option for anyone looking to enhance their typing experience without breaking the bank. These switches are a medium-weight tactile type, offering a balance between feel and sound, and they bring a few notable improvements over Akko's previous generation Cream Blue switches. One of the standout features of the Akko V3 Cream Blue Pro switches is the dust-proof stem cover, which provides better stability while typing. This improvement is particularly useful for those who want a smoother and more reliable experience with their switches over time. Another key benefit is that these switches come pre-lubed right out of the box, meaning you won't need to worry about lubing them yourself unless you want to further enhance their performance. This is a great option for people who prefer a more laid-back build or for beginners who might be intimidated by the prospect of home lubing. When it comes to the typing experience, these switches are relatively smooth, making them a good choice for those who enjoy tactile feedback without too much effort. However, they do tend to be on the louder side. The sound profile is notably higher pitched compared to other tactile switches, which usually aim for a deeper, more resonant sound. If you're someone who prefers a quieter setup, this might be something to keep in mind. That said, the sound has a unique character, and if you're willing to put in the effort to lube them yourself, you can improve both the smoothness and sound profile. Lube will help tone down the higher-pitched, tappy notes, making for a more rounded, satisfying sound. For those on a budget or anyone looking to upgrade their typing experience with a tactile switch, the Akko V3 Cream Blue Pro offers a great combination of feel, performance, and value. While they might not be the quietest option available, they provide solid tactile feedback and stability, making them an ideal choice for people looking for an affordable tactile switch with an overall smooth and enjoyable typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.